What do you usually cook? What do you usually cook?
I often cook chicken dishes. I often cook chicken dishes.
How do you stay healthy? How do you stay healthy?
I drink plenty of water. I drink plenty of water.
Why do you like music? Why do you like music?
It's entertaining to listen to. It's entertaining to listen to.
Why do you want to learn? Why do you want to learn?
It helps me in my job. It helps me in my job.
Why do you enjoy cooking? Why do you enjoy cooking?
I want people to eat healthy food. I want people to eat healthy food.
How do you handle stress? How do you handle stress?
I try to stay positive. I try to stay positive.